Yeah, it's really exciting. Really looking forward to it. Getting great feedback from all the players across Munster, and from talking to the managers, it sounds really exciting too. So 2 games Friday here in Croke Park and 2 games Saturday, and it'll be a fabulous opportunity to play in the best pitch in Ireland with the new rules. So can't wait. Yeah, the players are adapting really well. They're fairly straightforward. I know there's a lot of people can get bogged down, but they're pretty basic rules from the very start to the end. Seven rules. And straight away as the game kicks off, we've seen some sandbox matches. It's very fast. You have to be extremely fit, but it's something what we want. We want to make the game enjoyable, improve the speed, improve the excitement. And these new rules will really enhance the game, and we'll see that over the weekend.
So the players are enjoying the new rules.
Yeah, they're loving it. Yeah. I think the only feedback I'm getting is that seemingly the GPS data is quite high, so fitness levels are required. But I think that's good. I think people want to see speed, they want to see movement, they want to see scores, they want to see the ball being going forward, and all that's positive for great games this weekend.
Absolutely. And then, what rule stands out to you from everything you've seen so far that you would expect would impact the game the most this weekend?
Yeah, I like the 3 versus 3 up front. I like the advanced mark, that the forward can take advantage from inside the 20 metre line, and I like to kick it. Bring it back to a contest. And they're probably but all the rules are good. But those 3, the tap and sole is really interesting, because that'll test the lungs, as they say, and a lot of people take advantage of that. But I suspect that the structure of the 3 versus 3 and the inside advantage mark and the kick out, they'd be probably my 3 favourite, but they all lead to improving the game, and that's the main thing.